What's good, YouTube? It's your guy here, on the FX Trader speaking. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I document my life as a Forex trader. When I take you to the day in the life of a Forex trader, the day-to-day activities, my routines, my checks, raw information as it is, guys. So stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Is we're going to be moving together. So, guys, the purpose of this channel is to inspire and to show the real things which happens behind the scenes, not when we have made it, but like from the start. So, guys, we've been on YouTube for a while. So, if you want to know more about what I do, just watch the previous videos, they'll show you. So, guys, today I'm actually coming from church. It's a Sunday, and it's 5:24 p.m. That's like 24 past 5 is Zimbabwean time, right? So I'm walking home. Yeah, I'm walking home and resuming work tomorrow. So guys, I urge you to always be disciplined. Firstly, as you see, I'm talking about work. I'm going to work. I'm going back to work on Monday. My shift starts at around 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. So why am I saying this? It's because it's important to have your job. It's important to have somewhere you earn. You understand? So that's from those. That's why I am actually responsible for the money which I might lose or gain in forex trading. So that's why I always urge you guys to always have something going on in your life. So let's get going with the day, guys. Today, church was amazing. I was just wearing black and white, except for the hats. We don't wear hats at church. So I want you to picture this. I was wearing a white t-shirt, and this is down there, black what. So yeah, I had to remove my shirt because I didn't want it to get dirty. I really hate doing laundry, which is really dirty. So that I just make sure that everything's cool. So yeah, we're walking home. We don't have a car yet, but like in the long run, we should buy one. So today we are just going to take a shortcut via the railway line. Like we are going to be moving where the train walks, where the train travels. Not walks. A train does not have legs, but it has wheels. So when the train moves. So I'm just going to show you just a bit. You can see this is the back track. This is the front where we're going. Yeah, it's going to be one hell of a journey. So the distance which I walked is about it's close to 6 to 5 kilometers. Yeah, close to there. Cause like every day I just figure out that I walk 10 to 12 kilometers. Like if I'm going to church. But hey, who knows? God is the only one who is always protecting me from bad things. So we've got to worship Him. So we've got to pray. So I urge you guys to keep on worshiping and praying to the Lord. Let's get going with the day, guys. It's really beautiful. Yeah. That's the sunset which I'm talking about. That's the sunset which I'm talking about. It's just amazing. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. So yeah. So guys, I'm just thinking of saying, what can I sing really? Okay, so I've been thinking lately about life. What we really need to keep things to go. Like in life, things are hard. It's true, but like we need to keep on the grind. We need to keep on moving. We can't say life is hard and you're not even doing anything about it. You need to do something about it. Like you need to have a plan, a solid plan. So as for me, I come in as a forex trader. That's a plan. I'm a worker. In fact, I'm an electrician. But I'm also trying to gain more knowledge in the financial market and study more and earn more from forex trading, so that I can get freedom and financial. Okay, so when you are successful in forex trading, you get financial freedom and freedom yourself, like freedom. Like you work at your own conditions, you're on your own, doing your things. You're your own boss. You're even able to launch jobs, to launch businesses. So yeah, let's just keep on going. We're still walking, guys. We're still walking. Still walking. So guys, I got this account like long ago. It's a small account which I'm just trying to grow. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Sitting on 2 bags. Let's see how it goes. So we took a scalping position in that account. We closed our trades right there, and the account is now sitting on $3.99 right there. So this is the part